Hey, what's up guys? And in this section that says now let's build a professional blog with WordPress, we will be creating a blog like this. You can see it has the animation right here that is automatically changing, and it is just changing. We have the logo, we have some categories here of our blog post. We have like this, you can see we have these categories. We also have the search tab where we can just search for any of the posts. Okay, and then we have the social links, and we have some about us and contact us pages as well. We have these featured posts that are coming, and then we have the all post here. So you can see it says iPhone X has a hidden feature and everything here. Okay, we have find us on Facebook page as well that fill like our Facebook pages here. We have some categories, tags, and we also have the subscribe form, and we have these recent posts and everything. Okay, so you can see that we also have the pagination here. If you just click next, you can see it is taking us to the next page, and in the next page we are here in the next page section. So we will be building a blog like this. Okay, we also have the posts that are designed the best way. So you can see this is how it is. This says iPhone X has a hidden feature. This is the post title that I just open up, and it says a call to action. So it says reveal the feature. If I just click here, you can see it is taking us down here, and this is how it is working. And we have these custom posts that I'm going to show you. How can you build a post like this? So if I just come here, you can see iOS has some bug fixes that needs to be fixed. So if I just click here, it says read this post. It goes me down, and here I have this whole post. So I'm also going to show you how can you work with this, how can you build posts like this, and how can you just move on. So this is the blog that we're going to create. We will also be having these categories that we can create, like in HTC. It would show all the posts that has the HTC post assigned, and this is how the posts are coming. So we will be creating this blog here in this section. So guys, let's get started.